This is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to begin with, make sure to enable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then among the shortcuts that are available to you at the control center, well, find the nearby share, here it is. Then touch and hold on it. After that, turn the switch on. After that, you can rename the device or set a custom name for it to be visible to any other phones or devices in the same network. So I'll name it Galaxy or HardReset Galaxy, excuse me. Then you can either enable or disable device visibility, as well as change its mode from visible to only your devices to only your contacts or to anybody who is in range. And you can also change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer as well. So in here I happen to have this Honor smartphone, which I will send some picture from to my Samsung. Let's say this one. So I'll tap on the share button, go for the nearby share. Here it is. We'll wait until my Galaxy gets discovered, tap on it, and then accept on the receiver's end. Now we will wait for the file or photo or whatever that is to be sent and received respectively. And now we can open the photo in the gallery. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.